I've had Chick-fil-A maybe like 7 times.
Ding dong. So today we're gonna try Chick-fil-A's mac and cheese and other food items. All right, so we're back. So excited to try this mac and cheese. I've never had the chicken nuggets before, but I assume it's just like a chicken sandwich cut up in little pieces. Okay, let's try. All right, this is way better. It smells interesting. Let's see. It smells like it's Kraft. It's whatever. It's a mac and cheese. It's okay. I mean, I'm just hungry, but it's alright. You liked it?
I mean,
it's okay.
I just want you guys to know that while editing this video, I think I'm going to have to go back to Chick-fil-A and get these nuggets and fries again. Definitely not getting the mac and cheese. Editing this video myself makes me hungry, so I think I'm going to go right now. Bye!
The chicken, nice and tender. And the Polynesian sauce is good. I like it. These chicken nuggets are good. It's just chicken, but not bad. Not bad. A little expensive. The mac and cheese, like, it's okay. How many stars do I give it? I feel like it's a 3.7. It's not like, oh my god, this is a bomb, but it's not like nasty. I'm still gonna keep eating it because it's like here, but it's not like the best. For fast food, I guess it's good. The chicken nuggets, they're tasty. Tender. Your water's over there. So I'm really tempted. I'm a fry purist, and I always have to have ketchup with my fries, but I kind of don't want to get up. But honestly, the Polynesian sauce and the Chick-fil-A sauce is kind of doing it for me, and that's a first because every time I have fries, like, I have to have ketchup. Like, I keep thinking about getting up and getting ketchup, but this sauce, especially the Polynesian, is not bad. Like, I've had this sauce before with the sandwiches. But maybe that's been my mistake. It's getting the sandwiches. Because, I mean, the sandwich is just a sandwich. It's the same thing as chicken nuggets, but with bread. I don't know, maybe like the sandwich kind of ruins the whole flavor. Let me know where I should go next, guys.
Okay, I'm slowly starting to like finish this, and I'm starting to feel sick. Oh, look at this cute little potato. My stomach's starting to hurt. I think it was the mac and cheese. Too much cheese. That's a good potato. My head's starting to hurt. Potatoes. Alright guys, well, here's the verdict. Chicken nuggets
5 stars. They're good, they're tender. What can go wrong? Mac and cheese, 3.7 stars. It's all right. Not gonna get it again, but it's not horrible. It's pretty good for fast food, but it's not like, no. And so that's what we are doing for our Chick-fil-A mukbang. Oh, Nano approves. Nano approves of the mac and cheese and the chicken and the fries. He doesn't eat that much. See, biting that. I mean, bye. See, it's funny because we ate before we went, and now he wants to eat my food.
Like, I get it. It's a good chicken sandwich. Okay, but like the lines for this place are always long. And it's never like that at any other fast food place or whatever. Like, okay, it's good chicken sandwich. I don't know. It's just like, eh. I mean, I guess I'm never like disappointed when I have Chick-fil-A, which is the point after I come. But like, I'm never like, oh my god, like wow, like it was good like the first 5 times. And to me, it's just like, okay, whatever. It's chicken. I don't know.